All right, so now we're inside the 2023 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultimate. This is the 2921 FKDS. We just walked around the whole outside, now we're inside. Now show me the floor plan.
All right, so this is actually one of my favorite floor plans, and I think one of y'all's favorite floor plans as well, too.
Yeah,
you do very well with this front kitchen layout.
One of our best sellers.
So for 2023, we've gone through and we've gone to a Veurink appliance package. So we're gonna have our 12-volt residential refrigerator here, Veurink microwave, Veurink vent fan here, and then we've got the stove and oven as well. We actually come with a 17-inch oven here. It's not one of the smaller ones. It opens up. You've got the glass door with the light on there as well too.
Nice.
So you can actually see what you're cooking inside there. And then one of my favorite things about this floor plan is the abundance of kitchen countertop space here. And all the Kodiaks and the Cubs, the Ultralights and the Ultimates, we're going to use the seamless countertops. We're going to have the undermount stainless steel farm style sinks with the eyebrow here as well too. And then we even give you this plastic sink cover that doubles as a cutting board for you, but that's going to come standard on all your Kodiaks.
Yeah.
So coming up here, we've got the pop-up outlets in the corner there. You'll notice the little yellow sticker on some of the outlets here. Okay, so they're pre-wired into our inverter prep. So customer goes down the road, maybe they want to go boondocking or off the grid camping. They can wire in the inverter. It's already prepped for it, but any of the outlets with the little yellow sticker on it are pre-wired into that inverter prep. So you can go through and run those outlets off your batteries if you so choose.
Nice, nice.
So coming over here, this one is optioned in with our freestanding table and chairs. You can get the standard booth dinette here as well too. And then you'll notice we do all blackout roller shades on all of our windows. We've got the theater seats here. They're Thomas Paine collections. They're very comfortable. They're manual theater seats. Sit down and try it out, Eddie.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice and comfortable. Everybody goes through and says, hey, theater seats or sofa, I want to be able to see my TV.
Yeah.
Well, right here, your entertainment center is going to be directly across from your theater seatings. Ease of viewing, you can go through, you can recline, even kick back because they are wall hugger theater seats, but you can almost lay flat, watch TV, watch the race, watch the game, take time out, maybe watch a movie at night or if it's raining all day long, you can sit in here and relax and you got a lot of room.
So sitting in here as I'm looking around, the first thing that pops to my mind, where's the storage? Where's the storage space? So
we've got a little storage space right here for your coats.
Yep.
But I think you mean more like pantry space, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So wherever possible, we go through and we do a hidden pantry on all of our floor plans. You got shelves in here. There's a motion acting LED light in there as well too, so you can leave that on all the time.
That is awesome.
And then it's hidden, and then you've got your safety strap here as well too to keep it from opening up while you're going down the road. Comes standard on the Ultimates with the living room TV. You've got a Bluetooth capable soundbar here. You can slide it out, you can take it outside, put it on your picnic table, take it out to the campfire. Maybe you're going hiking, throw it in your backpack. You can take your radio with you, and that just syncs up onto your phone, and it's got the charging port right there.
Nice.
And then something that I always like in the Ultimates, when it gets chilly outside, we've got the fireplace. You can kick that on, knock the chill off out of the campfire or campsite here, knock the chill off inside, warms it up a little bit, and then on our Ultimates, anything with a bed slide is going to have a fireplace in the bedroom as well too.
Yeah, that's through the store.
Yep.
Let's go see it.
Let's go.
Bathroom, bedroom. Tell me about them.
Gotta have one in every camper.
You have to. You literally have to.
Coming back here in our bathrooms on the 2921, we go through, we do a walk-through bathroom. So it's going to give you the widest bathroom on the market at any travel trailer out there, right? So we do the plastic shower surround. We've got the 3-piece glass sliding shower doors in our Ultimates. Porcelain foot flush toilet.
Nice.
You know, again, we're trying to go lightweight, but there's some things that we don't want to scrimp on, so we do give you the porcelain commode inside the Kodiak Ultimates here. And then we've got linen closets right over here. Ample storage for all your toiletries, extra towels, extra sheets, extra blankets. That probably goes underneath your bed though. And then we've got our LED backlit medicine cabinet here as well too. So, you know, you go through, maybe you don't want all the lights on, or you got somebody staying up front, you can put that on as kind of a night light. And then all of our lights in here are motion censored as well too. So
Nice.
you go through, you're sleeping, you get up, you're not having to fumble for a light switch or anything like that, and lights are going to pop on inside your bathroom. You see what you're doing, you can go back to bed.
Nice. And then once you get past your bathroom, you get into your rear bedroom, which does have a bed slide.
Yep.
So back here, I mean, it's huge.
So this is our master suite. You know, like I said, any of the Kodiak Ultimates that have a bed slide are going to have a fireplace in your bedroom as well too. 2921 sits here and proves that. You've got your heating element that is a space heater behind that fireplace as well too. So it'll knock the chill off inside your bedroom. Mm-hmm. But we do all king size beds. They're residential kings. They're 72 by 80 king size beds. You come over here, you get storage underneath the foot of your bed as well too.
It's a lot of storage.
In there. Blankets, pillows, anything that you're going to need. Extra chairs, maybe a table to take camping with you. Mm-hmm. It can all be put underneath here because we do the residential size king beds.
Nice.
We've got wardrobe space on both sides back here as well too, along with ample storage. And then we even got a place underneath our fireplace there, place to put your shoes.
Yeah.
You know, it's trying to think of storage. Where are you going to put stuff? You can go through here, have a place to put everything just like you're at home. And then we go through and we have storage in your overheads here, in your bed slides as well.
Nice. And then even, I mean, in your bedroom, like you said, in your living space, you do have windows on either side too, for cross ventilation.
Cross ventilation. You can sit here, open it up. Now you have a nice breeze going across your headboard area. Knocks the heat out of the camper. Helps get that circulation of natural air in here. It's going to help everybody sleep better.
So basically, down here, Goshen, Indiana, we're checking out everything with Kodiak. We got to talk to Scott, and then we got to hang out with you. We got to see basically from start to finish a Kodiak product. Ultimately, can you give us a little bit of a rundown of what customers can get if they're looking for a Kodiak? I mean, you guys have a few different models that you go for.
So we actually, in Kodiak, as a brand, we have 4 segments. Our Kodiak Cubs, they're going to be our single axles. You know, they're going to be towable by anything that's got like 4,000 pound tow capacity. Single axles, 30 amp trailers, 13,500 BTU air conditioners in them.
Yeah.
Really go anywhere type trailer. Next, we're going to have our Kodiak SE, which is going to be our value price, or value edition. It's going to give you all the best bangs for your buck. You know, it's built the exact same. It's going through, has all the features that you need to go camping, but maybe you don't want to step up into an ultralight or an ultimate.
Right.
So we're going to have this value-packed price point piece in our Kodiak SE. Then we're going to go to our Kodiak ultralights. That's going to give you a very vast range. You know, you have our 201 QE, non-slide, 13.5 BTU air conditioners, tandem axles. You know, it's still towable by some of your larger SUVs. Up to our 332, it's a double slide, 37-foot travel trailer bunkhouse.
Huge, yeah.
In the ultralight segment here, so you've got something for everybody in there.
Right.
And then we're going to have our ultimate package or ultimate segment. It's going to go through. It's going to give you, you know, double slides. Bed slides. It's going to give you the king size beds. It's going to be 50 amp service standard. You've got the ability to have a dual ACs just like on this unit. You know, theater seats, the double fireplaces. So we've pretty much got every section covered for in one brand. So you can start out in the Cub and you can stair step yourself all the way up to an Ultimate if you want to. Yeah,
which is awesome just because a lot of customers, they'll want something that's more value driven, but they don't want to go with an aluminum sided trailer. And so the Kodiak with the Kodiak SC gives you that, which is awesome, while still getting that solid structure that Kodiak's kind of known for. So yeah, I learned a lot today. Hopefully everybody that's watching this is gonna learn a lot from it. Maybe the Kodiak's gonna be the next trailer that they're looking to purchase. But I just want to say appreciate your time, appreciate your guys' partnership with us. Like, we're sitting in the 2921, the FKDS. We typically have one on the lot at Veurinks just because it's one of our most popular floor plans.
It is, and y'all do great with Kodiak. You do great with all your Dutchmen products, whether it's Aspen Trail or Astoria. So, you know, we're very glad you were able to come down and catch us after hours, so it wasn't too noisy in the plant. Hope we were able to help you out and get you what you were needing, and look forward to the next one.
Sweet.
Cool.
Thanks, Steve.
Thanks.